For many creators around the world, the process of crafting wooden holiday decorative pieces has become far more than an artistic pastime or a commercial business. It has evolved into a deeply meditative practice, a return to a slower, more tactile way of living that stands in stark contrast to the fast-paced digital environment that dominates so much of modern life. As makers pick up pieces of reclaimed or locally sourced wood, run their fingers along the texture of the grain, and begin shaping raw material into meaningful and beautiful seasonal decor, they enter a state of calm focus where every movement of the tool and every shift in the wood invites mindfulness and presence. Welcome to Décor Ideas, your ultimate destination for stunning woodcraft and home decor inspiration. Here, every piece of wood tells a story, and every design brings nature's beauty into your home. Whether you're a passionate woodwork maker, a woodworking dreamer, or someone seeking timeless and eco-friendly decor, you're in the right place. Stay tuned until the end of this video to uncover creative ideas, inspiring transformations, and to see beautiful collection and get inspiration. Don't just decorate, create with purpose. Subscribe, watch, and let's craft something beautiful together. This connection between hands and natural material becomes healing in its simplicity, allowing woodworkers to escape the constant flickering of screens, the hum of digital notifications, and the overwhelming speed of online communication, and instead enter a rhythm of creation grounded in patience, physical action, and a centuries-old tradition of handmade craftsmanship. The sensory elements of the work play a powerful role in this transformation. The scent of cut wood, the sound of sanding, the quiet scratch of a chisel, and the visible progression from rough board to a finished ornament, candle holder, nativity scene, snowflake, sign, or festive centerpiece create an environment where the mind can slow, stress can dissipate, and the creator reconnects with something ancient and universal. Humanity has worked with wood since the beginning of civilization, shaping it into homes, tools, art, vessels, and objects of meaning. And in engaging with that same material today, many artisans feel a deep sense of continuity with the makers who came before them. A kind of lineage of craft passed down not through formal instruction, but through the shared experience of hand, tool, and raw material coming together. This feeling becomes especially strong during the holidays, a season already filled with emotion, nostalgia, memory, and symbolism. To carve or assemble a wooden Christmas star, an evergreen-shaped wall hanging, a festive village scene, or a simple wooden ornament from reclaimed board is to create not just a decoration, but an object with personal meaning, something that may be displayed year after year, marked with stories, and passed through generations. This tradition of making rather than purchasing ties directly into a larger cultural shift, happening in interior design and home decor, where more and more people are moving away from mass-produced, impersonal objects, and instead seeking pieces that feel authentic, handcrafted, and emotionally grounded. In a world where nearly everything can be ordered in minutes and delivered within a day, handmade wooden holiday decor stands out not because it is faster or cheaper, but because it is slower, intentional, and human. The marks of the maker, the slight variations in cut, the warmth of the finish, the choice of wood, the visible joinery, and the natural imperfections are not flaws but virtues, reminders that real hands shaped this object and that real time was invested in its creation. This desire for meaningful and personal objects is deeply connected to changing values in modern interior design, where natural textures, organic materials, and earthy warmth are becoming increasingly desirable. People want homes that feel grounded and comforting, spaces that calm and nourish rather than overwhelm, and wood, with its natural warmth and visual softness, brings that feeling more effectively than almost any other material. Holiday decor crafted from wood adds another dimension: tradition. If you're enjoying today's video so far, make sure to tap that like button and share the channel with your family and friends who love woodworking, decor, and creative inspiration just like you. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you new ideas and projects every day. I'd also love to know where in the world you're watching from. So drop your country in the comments below. And after this video, don't forget to check out the other videos on the channel. You'll find even more inspirational, transformations, and creative builds waiting for you. Whether Scandinavian minimalism, rustic farmhouse charm, Japanese-inspired simplicity, or vintage mid-century details, wooden decor feels connected to heritage and history in a way plastic or metal rarely can. At the same time, this rise in handmade holiday wooden decor reflects a broader sustainability movement that has taken root in design communities and consumer culture alike. Many creators intentionally work with reclaimed wood, pallet pieces, building offcuts, broken furniture, barn beams, discarded shelving, or even branches and logs to reduce waste, honor the life of the material, and give new purpose to what would otherwise be thrown away. This approach aligns with growing concern for environmental impact, and buyers increasingly appreciate the emotional and ethical value of owning decor that salvages history and reduces landfill buildup. The symbolic nature of renewal also resonates strongly during the holiday season, a time traditionally associated with hope, rebirth, reflection, and the turning of the year. When an ornament is made from a scrap of cedar or oak that once formed a drawer front, a table leg, or a cabinet door, it carries a story, a transformation from forgotten to celebrated, from discarded to cherished. And that story becomes part of the emotional experience for both the maker and the buyer. In this way, wooden holiday decor has become not only an artistic expression, but also a statement about values, identity, and the kind of world people hope to build. For many creators, the act of making is as rewarding as the finished product. Sitting alone in a small workshop or garage, opening a toolbox, selecting sandpaper or a carving knife, and bringing a small idea to life with simple tools becomes a ritual of peace, grounding, and emotional regulation in a world that often feels fragmented and chaotic. The repetitive motions of crafting, planning, carving, sanding, staining, assembling bring the body into intuitive flow and the mind into clarity, similar to meditation, gardening, painting, or traditional hand quilting. The maker becomes fully present, not thinking about endless digital feeds, obligations, or tomorrow's anxieties, but caught instead in the direct relationship between hand and wood. Many artisans report that they lose track of time, feel more emotionally balanced, and finish their sessions with a deep sense of satisfaction that does not come from passive digital consumption, but from creating something real. The success of this movement is also fueled by the way handmade wooden holiday decor intersects with entrepreneurial opportunity. Small shops, home workshops, market booths, online marketplaces, and craft fairs have become platforms where creators can share their work with wider audiences. And many customers are eager to invest in pieces that reflect craftsmanship, sustainability, and personal story. Selling these creations becomes a way for makers to sustain their craft financially while sharing the emotional and cultural value of handmade tradition. Some artisans start as hobbyists making pieces for their own homes, then gifts for friends, then small batches for markets, and eventually expand into thriving small businesses, all built on the foundation of authentic handmade craft. This journey mirrors a larger societal desire to shift away from faceless manufacturing and toward community, artistry, environmental stewardship, and meaningful economic participation. The popularity of such decor also stems from the increasing importance of self-expression in the home. People now see their interiors not just as functional spaces, but as reflections of their personality and worldview. Wooden holiday decor speaks directly to this need by allowing individuals to personalize their spaces with items that carry emotional resonance instead of sameness. A handcrafted wooden nativity scene becomes a symbol of faith and tradition. A rustic tree ornament becomes a reminder of family and memory. And a carved winter village becomes a narrative centerpiece that brings stories into the living space. In the end, the rise of handmade wooden holiday decor is not an isolated design trend, but part of a profound cultural movement in which people are reclaiming their time, creativity, emotional presence, and connection to the physical world. The process touches something ancient and deeply human: the joy of shaping material with care, the dignity of creating beauty by hand, the peace of slow attention, and the satisfaction of surrounding ourselves with objects that hold meaning rather than disposability. Thank you so much for watching Décor Ideas, where creativity meets craftsmanship and nature comes to life through wood. We truly appreciate your time and support. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends and family who love unique home decor and woodcraft inspiration. Your feedback inspires us to create even more amazing ideas for you. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our next inspiring video. Until then, keep crafting, keep creating, and keep finding beauty in every piece of wood.